Your artwork, Amila. Good job. Don't do it. Don't do it. Put it down, please. Thank you, Amila.
Oh no.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Look at Amila's artwork. Amila Sabinhoman. Ito ang naging caption sa ibinahaging video sa Instagram account ng The Homans. Sa kuha ng video makikitang nag-enjoy si Bean sa pag-drawing kasama ang kanyang daddy Greg. Talagang napakabait at napakatalinong bata ni Baby Bean at marunong makinig sa kanyang daddy. Kinaaaliwan ng maraming netizens dahilan sa napaka-cute at bibong bata, lalong-lalo nang sinabi pa ni Bean na ono. Narito at ating panoorin ang cute video nito, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel, para sa iba pang celebrity updates.
You proud of your artwork, Amila? Good job. Ay. Oh, don't throw it out. I know what you want to do. Don't do it. Don't do it. Put it down, please. Thank you, Amila.
Oh no.
Oh no.